Automatic non-ironing bag machine. Part 1. Mold installation and positioning. Automatic ironing-free pocket attaching machine. The machine runs efficiently and stably and produces beautiful stitch. By completing folding and sewing 150 to 180 pockets per hour, it not only improves efficiency but also ensures quality, becoming a necessity for the transformation and upgrading of the garment industry. Step 1. Install the pocket template. According to the thickness of the sewing material, adjust the distance between the pocket template and the sewing table, about 2 to 3 millimeters above table. So that the sewing material can enter smoothly. Step 2. Install and adjust the small pressure plate. First, fix the small pressure plate. Tighten the screws. If sewing pocket with double thread, it is necessary to install and lock the small pressure plate expansion screw to ensure the expansion and flexibility of the small pressure plate. Step 3. Align the small pressure plate with the pocket template. Adjust the corresponding screws to align the small pressure plate with the pocket template up and down, left and right, and evenly spaced around. Step 4. According to the size of pocket, adjust the distance between the inner pressing plate and the pocket template so that the sewing material can be fixed, so that the material can be fed smoothly during sewing. Step 5. Adjust the outer frame of the folding bag. Install the folding bag frame first. Adjust the height of the folding bag frame and the table surface through 3 screws. Fix the folding bag frame. Keep the distance between the surrounding area and the table surface about 2 millimeters. Make the pocket template enter the folding bag frame smoothly and facilitate the folding material. And ensure that the pocket template is completely below the folding bag frame and the surrounding spacing is uniform, so that the pocket template is aligned with the folding bag frame, up, down, left, and right. Step 6. Install and adjust the angle of the pocket folding knife so that the distance between the folding knife and the folding bag frame is at least 1.5 to 2 millimeters. The lower part of the folding knife on the left and right sides should not exceed the sides and corners of the folding bag frame. The folding angle of the pocket can be controlled by adjusting the cutting angle of the folding knife. The upper folding knife is located below the left and right folding knife. The left and right side of the upper folding knife enters the folding bag frame about 10 millimeters. The lower right folding knife is located below the right folding knife, and the left side of the right lower folding knife cannot exceed the lower corner of the folding bag frame. The lower left folding knife is located under all folding knives. Check all folding knife positions so that the folding knife enters the folding bag frame smoothly and without touching each other. Part 2. Electronic adjustment of template position. 1. Press the key in the lower left corner of the panel to enter. Select the Pickup Test button. Enter the first step of the Feed single-step action test. Press the Pickup Correction button to enter and adjust the position of the pocket template through the U-axis up and down. 2. Enter the Feeding Single-Step Action Test Step 3. Press the Pickup Correction button to enter. through the V-axis up and down, adjust the folding bag frame position so that the folding bag box and the pocket template up and down, left and right alignment. 3. Enter Feed Single Step Action Test Step 18th. Press the Pickup Correction button to enter. Adjust the X-Y axis position so that the small pressure plate is aligned with pocket template up and down, left and right, and the gap is uniform. 4. Put in the sewing material and pocket cloth. From the first step action test to the 23rd step, enter the Feed Single Step Action Test Step 23rd. Press the Enter the Board button to draw the board option. You can set the needle distance and speed as needed. For example, when sewing a double line, press the Straight Line key. Select the drawing icon corresponding to the shape of the pocket and set the corresponding parameters. The number of times 2 represents the double line, and the distance represents the distance between the two lines. 5. Drawing. Press the direction key to make the small pressing plate enter the appropriate position of the head of single needle lock stitch sewing machine. Gradually step on the point positioning according to the edge and corner lines around the pockets of different shapes. Determine the stepping point after the stepping point is completed, and press the Algorithm End key to automatically generate the sewing pattern. For example, when sewing a single thread, there is no need to press the end of the algorithm, and then select the corresponding button to enter step by step. Press the plus key to enlarge the pattern, connect the missing needle position at the beginning and end of the pocket, and add the backstitch, 3 to 4 backstitches, to reinforce the pocket. When finished, press the function key to select the automatic trimming function, confirm and save it. 6. Template withdrawal. Press the key in the lower left corner of the panel to enter. Select the Modify Pattern option. Press the Code Data key to enter, and then press the Direction key. Go to the top needle on the left side of the pocket. Press the Enter key. Select Template Withdrawal, Stop Needle button to confirm. Exit and save the pattern. Part 3. Drawing and Revision. 1. Press the key in the lower left corner of the panel to enter. Select the Modify Pattern option. Select the needle step to modify. Stitch movement refers to in the sewing process. When one or a few ugly stitches needs to be modified, we can modify each stitch separately. 2. Section movement refers to in the sewing process if there is a section of ugly stitches. They can be modified by the whole section movement method. 3. Section modification refers to the linear connection between 2 points, such as one end of the pocket is large and the other is small. Select Stitch Movement first. Move the first point to the specified position and the other point to the specified position. Select again Section Modification. Select the first point to confirm. Go to the end of another point and then press Enter to complete the 2-point connection. 4. Arc Modification. Press Section Modification. Select the arc icon to enter. Select the first and last 2 points of the section, and then select the middle point of the section. Press the key to move the middle point. You can control the size of the arc.